My name is Yasha, and today we are going to talk about one skill that genuinely helped me feel better about myself. Because when I was younger, like you are right now, I was a little bit nerdy, a little bit awkward, shy, cringy, fat, and all I wanted was to have a girlfriend, like you want right now, to have sex and to stop masturbating, but basically have sex because you are a virgin. Nothing bad with that. But when I was younger, I was the same, okay? So then I started to pay attention more and more to self improvement in general. And by some miracle, I suppose, I got a girlfriend who is now with me already 4 years, who loves me unconditionally, and I also love her unconditionally. So I want for you to have the same lifestyle as I have, okay? So the skill that we are going to talk about today is sport, okay? I wouldn't say that it is like a skill as a literal meaning of the word, but basically sport for sure helped me feel better about myself, and it still does, okay? So what I mean by sport is simply by going to fitness, swimming pool, football, basketball, whatever you like, okay? Think about yourself. What sport do you like? What sport did you like when you were younger before you got lazy? For example, for me, I was my whole life in the swimming pool. I tried football, I quit it. I tried volleyball, I quit it. Okay, so swimming was literally the sport that sticked with me forever, and up to this day, I still go to the swimming pool. Okay, so the same thing I want for you as well. Think about the sport that you want to do and then start doing it every single day. Why? Because when you do some particular sport every single day, for example, in my example, swimming, I personally noticed that my shoulders got bigger, my triceps got bigger, my chest got bigger. Over here, those muscles here under your armpit, they also got bigger. And I genuinely, when I stretched, like when I put my hands like this in the back, like this, I genuinely felt over here on the top, I genuinely felt muscles. When I put my hand like that, and then when I go back, like I literally feel the muscles. And that was the turning point in my self improvement journey, and also, so to say, in my girlfriend journey, okay, where I noticed that sport in general will genuinely help you. That if I could do it, then anyone can do it. Because I was also fat, I was also nerdy, I was also cringe. But by going to the swimming pool, I improved my body, and that automatically improved my confidence. Why? Because in my brain, I had that mentality that all the fuckboys who have girls have amazing bodies. So if I want to have a girl, then I need amazing body, so that then that body is going to boost my confidence. Because when you see all of those fuck boys on the, I don't know, on social media, for example, from Too Hot to Handle, all of those guys who are telling you, I fucked 100 girls, I wanted that as well. So then I noticed that all of them go to fitness, all of them have amazing bodies. So I decided that if I want the same, I will also have to have an amazing body, which I started working on. And then I got a girlfriend who still didn't leave me, okay? And then if she leaves me, no worries, okay? I'm gonna be sad, but then I will go back to sport, I will build my body even better, and then I will get another girl, and another, and another, and another. Hopefully that will not happen, but in case that this happens, we both are now prepared for this situation, okay? Because you know that body and sport are cheat code, okay? I wrote here cheat code, okay, for more confidence, for better feeling about yourself, okay? And another bonus that is severely underrated, brother, is to have not only amazing body or start working on it, but also have a nice hairstyle. For example, for me, you can see that recently I've cut my hair, okay? I went everywhere here in the sides and on the back. I went to 2 millimeters, I think, and here on the top I left it completely uncut so that I can have a little bit of a hairstyle like this, you know. And I'm telling you, every day when I look at myself into the mirror, I say, wow, how amazing, how fucking amazing. Okay, so right now it was a lot of information, okay, in this video. So what I want you to do is to first think about the sport that you want to do, or that you wanted to do in the past, but you got lazy and you didn't do it. Okay, in my case that was swimming pool. And then you go every single day to do that sport, no matter what. If you have school, if you have work, if you have fucking I don't know what, okay, you will simply go do that sport. Because I am working full time, I go to swimming pool. I was studying full time in the past, I went every day to the swimming pool. If I could do it, then you can do it as well, okay? Yeah, but I don't have motivation. Look, listen. I suppose that you know Andrew Tate, okay? Andrew Tate himself said in one video that he also doesn't like training, but he still does it. Why? Because it helps him with physique, healthier lifestyle, and also it builds discipline. Okay, when you force yourself to do something that you don't want to do, that's the best way to build discipline. Okay, you know how many times I forced myself to do something I didn't want to do it, but then still I did it. Okay, you do you think that I like to record those videos? No, I would much rather see you in person and talk with you in person, but recording is the only way that I can show you what I have done in the past, okay? So I don't like recording, I admit that, but here I am recording and doing things that I don't like, because I know deep down that this will have two benefits. The first benefit is going to help me build discipline, and the second benefit is that with this video you will also start to feel better about yourself, because right now you can see that you are struggling, because everyone seems to be successful, everyone seems to be better looking, successful, they get girls and you don't get them. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, doing sport is the only skill for which I can genuinely say that helped me change my lifestyle to the better one. Okay, to change my shift to shift my mindset, sorry, from a worthless loser, so to say, because that's what I was calling myself. I changed myself from worthless loser to worthful, I don't know how to say that, but worthful high value man. Because for you, maybe I don't, in your eyes, I don't maybe seem like a high value man, but for me, I consider myself as one. Why? Because I am following my dreams, I am going to sport, I am learning trading, which will bring me money in the future. Okay, so you see, I am moving somewhere, because when you see people around you, they are just playing video games, smoking weed, drinking alcohol. No, I cut all of that. Chuck, you know what I'm saying? So that's what the point is that I'm trying to tell you is, go do sport every single day, and you will see how your body will change, how you will build more discipline, how you will literally feel the progress with your own hands. You will feel it, you know. This progress with sport is not like academic progress, for example, when you pass the exams and you are happy and you are still feeling like shit because you don't have anything in your hands, you know. But the success with sport that you achieve is when you touch your body, when you feel it, you know, when you look at my shoulders, brother. Look at my fucking shoulders. You know what I'm saying? This is the turning point that will most likely, I am sure of it, brother, it's going to start changing your mindset. Okay? I know this was a little bit of a chaotic video, but the point of this video is sport and nice hairstyle. Okay? Hairstyle is a little bonus, but I'm telling you, bro, sport is a cheat code. Okay, so start doing it today. Now we came to the end of this video, unfortunately. Okay, it's always nice to talk with you and basically share knowledge or my experience that I gathered, okay, with you. But yeah, I want to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you genuinely feel that the videos that I did helped you in some way. Okay, because my mission is to help young men improve themselves, and start basically living a happier life, okay? Because I was one of you. I know how it is when you don't have confidence, when you don't have girlfriend, when you are just playing video games, masturbating, I know all of this shit, okay? And I genuinely want to change that because I know how shitty lifestyle that is, okay? So yeah, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Not feel free, but subscribe now because it's gonna help you. And also join over here the improvement gang, where we basically talk about self-improvement in more detail. Okay, it's work in progress, so start taking action today. Why? Because remember that your future self is watching you, so take action. Okay, take care, brother.